Real Black Lightning.
Guys, save the good guys. Saving the world would be lonely, I think. You have to keep your identity secret, even from the people you love. Right, because they worry. Yeah. Oh, damn, look at the time. Okay, I've got to go get out of this spandex because I promised my sister I would go to this march with her. All right, good night, Miss Black Lives Matter. Good night, Grace.
Our detour sends a march down here, and this is the highest point on our new route. You'll be able to see almost the entire march. Now, if they just want to kill Holt, it'll likely be a single gunman waiting to take him out at his most public moment. But that's not what I do.
I hate it when you play the most not likely scenario game.
The 100 doesn't want to be in the martyr-making business. They want to be in the fear business.
So kill marchers.
Exactly. If you put poison in aspirin, people stop buying aspirin. If you make it deadly to protest,
People live with their misery rather than dying trying to change it.
it's not easy to kill someone in cold blood. Your gunman is going to look nervous. A little bit like you look now.
No, I'm not nervous. I'm just hoping that God was listening as hard as I was when the Reverend was talking.
I guess we'll see.
Yeah.
I'll get the suit ready.
Free. They could have made his suit better.
There's nothing I can do about that.
They could have made his suit 10 times better than that. And they got that stupid looking mask on his face. Are you finna go scuba diving? I hope they upgrade his suit sometime. Amazing Grace.
No. He's supposed to be dead. He's supposed to be dead.
No.
That's why I hate these church-going Negroes. Always praying and singing. Singing and praying. They all want to go to heaven, but none of them want to die. Kill that electrified freak.
the fuck?
He got shot.
What? Two of them got the preacher and who?
Don't turn his door.
It went through the preacher and him?
You may have heard of it. You need to go. Okay. It's okay.
Malachi Rogers, Winter's hometown hero.
Jen, come on, let's sit down. Did you hear anything? Well, I just asked him for some tissues. I'm sorry.
He's gonna be okay, right?
I don't know.
Well, they said that Rev Hope was gonna be okay.
Yeah, they did.
Well, maybe Khalil will be okay too.
It could be. I certainly hope so. Come here, come here. It's okay, okay. Good.
At least two were injured, but witnesses say that black lightning prevented an even larger tragedy from occurring.
Man, my partner was like, man, you must be high. I'm like, no, my dude, I seen it with my own eyes. He was like,
Who's that,
yeah,
Quartet?
it was like this. It was crazy. He saved us all.
Well, despite public support, the police department are not happy with his efforts. Earlier, I spoke to Inspector Henderson from the Freeland Police Department.
He's a vigilante. The violence and murders are up since he came back.
Oh man, you know who that is. Shut up.
Or the
How
target.
you don't know that's his boy?
Lightning is not making things better
Huh?
for the citizens of Freeland.
You put on a mask like Black Light, now I know it's your black ass. All that hair, Keyshawn, you know I know it's you, right?
If I'd known you were thinking about coming, I would have warned you.
It was a last minute thing.
Really?
Jennifer told me she was meeting Anissa and I thought it would be some quality family time. I'm sorry.
No, it's not your fault. I should have said something.
No, I mean for suggesting Jennifer come live with me. I lashed out. It sounds crazy, but the bullets gave me some perspective.
Is she bipolar or what?
Danger is everywhere.
I'm sorry.
I don't know her angle.
I really am.
Hey, I guess deep down I always knew that Black Lightning would eventually win. That doesn't mean I have to accept my defeat gracefully.
You know, even if we don't live under the same roof, you three are my priority, suit or no suit.
You're a good man, Jefferson Pierce.
Sorry, Jefferson.
So what's going on with you?
He deleted it.
Dad says you're never home, you don't call, you skip family dinner.
What the fuck happened?
I don't give a damn what you say. Black lightning.
He paralyzed.
Streets with these young folk trying to
Fuck.
stop them from killing each other. Black lightning's out an angel, a costume answer to all
I
prayer.
told you this show is some real shit.
The city's under attack, and we're losing.
You only lose if you start fighting.
What he's doing is heroic.
It was all night long.
Black Lightning. New hit series next Tuesday at 9, 8 central on the CW.
Hey, this is Cole Sprouse. Catch an all-new
Kids
episode of
getting ready
Riverdale.
for school, getting their stuff ready for school. My son had a basketball game tonight, so we had to rush home and jump right on Black Lightning. So it's a little late, but they'll be in bed a little bit, so they're getting their stuff together now. But I want to address something before I get to my pros and cons of tonight's episode. I want to address something from my last video for people who don't know me. My last video, people was like, Mr. Williams, you're offending people. You're offending people. Oh my God, you're offending people. You use profanity. You use profanity. You poop butt Captain Crunch eating motherfucker. Fuck you. This is not the Disney Channel over here. Okay? This is not the Disney Channel. This is not rabbits and unicorns and rainbows. None of that shit's over here. Okay? I am raw and uncut. Okay? I practice freedom of speech like a motherfucker over here. I'm not reading from a cue card or something or a teleprompter. I call it how I see it. It comes right off the dome. You know what I'm saying? Understand something. I'm not trying to get along with people. I'm just doing a reaction and having fun. If I offend you, the best thing I can tell you is click on another channel. Nothing scripted. I'm a real motherfucker. Okay? I'm down to earth and I'm real as a motherfucker. Okay? That's what you gonna get when you come to Underdog TV. What you see is what you get. Either love me or hate me. It makes no difference to me. Either love me or hate me. It makes no difference to me. You understand? Because I'm gonna be Mr. Williams 24/7. Now, let me get to the episode of my pros and cons of the episode. Now we got that out the way. Now that all that's out the way, let's get to the pros and cons. The pros and cons of tonight's episode. What I loved about this episode tonight, you know what I'm gonna say. Jill motherfucking Scott. Jill motherfucking. The ratings done went sky high because of Jill Scott. I can't believe they got Jill Scott playing the Queen Pin over Tobias. It's crazy. Because the first two episodes, you'll think that Tobias is the main villain. The main villain. And then Jill Scott just come out of nowhere. Jill Scott come out of nowhere and like, I want Black Lightning dead. What is the daughter's powers? Okay, now first time she broke the sink. She broke the sink off. Then the second time she was in the store and then the guy was robbing the store and she threw the guy like across the store, like halfway across the store. Okay, then she was in the junkyard and she was trying to test her powers and she couldn't get them to work. So, but when that piece of metal came down and hit her, then she kicked the dishwasher or dryer, whatever it was, halfway across the junkyard. So what's triggering her powers? Do she got to be upset? Do she got to be mad for it to work? Or she got to feel some type of way? Or she just not coming into grits of how to control it? Like she don't know how to control it, like turn it on and off. on and off, on and off. We definitely need a backstory on Black Lightning. You know, I don't know if anybody else feel this way. I never read the comic book, so I'm kind of lost by him just starting this at this age, and he's coming back out of retirement. You know, a backstory. It don't have to be a long backstory, but some type of backstory where you can have some kind of connection of where he's coming from and where he's going and where he's been. Cause I'm kind of lost when I see this guy. We need a backstory of Black Lightning. We need a backstory. How did he get his powers? Was he born that way? Was he, did he get struck by lightning? Did he get hit by a car? Did he fall in a sewer with the Ninja Turtles and got the secret ooze on him? What's the origin? You know what I'm saying? What's the origin? That's what I'm looking for. What's the origin of Black Lightning? And I know a lot of people gonna say, just go read the comic book. Go read the comic book. Read the comic book. Fuck you. I want to see it on TV. Why did the old white guy, the one we call Alfred from Batman, why did he delete Tobias when he seen that he was the sniper? Him and that girl with death in her eyes. Why did he delete that? I mean, it ain't like Black Lightning was standing right there in the room with him, Hey man, did you see that? I'm gonna delete that shit then. I mean, what's the point of him deleting that? It's because he's a big threat and they don't want to go against Tobias because they know he hit hard, like Mr. Williams. The wife is still annoying. Anybody else figure the wife out? Because I can't figure out. It's like she be on his side, then she'll be like, oh, I knew I was going to lose against Black Lightning. I just knew. Come stay with me. I mean, she, you don't know if she on his side or she just there to be a nuisance. What is the deal with her? You know what I'm saying? And then Black Lightning, his character, he's such a beta nigga. You know what I'm saying? He's such a beta. He's not he don't appeal to me as an alpha. And it's just like every time I see the wife talk to him, she just like, yeah, I know you a beta nigga. You old sucker. Shout out to Pinky, Clifton Powell. Say something else. Say something else. Say something else. Say one more thing. Say one more thing. Say one more thing. Anybody seen Friday? That's Pinky from Friday. The dude that got shot when the daughter's boyfriend. This might be a spoiler, but this is my prediction. He's gonna blame Black Lightning for him being paralyzed. Okay, you heard me? He's gonna blame Black Lightning for him being paralyzed. Somehow you watch it. It's gonna be twisted up with the detective, the friend cop that swear he just can't figure out who that is in that mask. He just don't know with the beard and the head. He just can't figure out he gonna become who that is. He might get bionic legs. You know what I'm saying? He gonna get robot legs like Cyborg. But he's gonna, for some reason, he gonna go against Black Lightning, and he's gonna become a villain. Somehow he's gonna fix it up where it was Black Lightning's fault that he got shot and was paralyzed. It was Black Lightning's fault that he got shot and was paralyzed. Mark my word. Okay, y'all. Peace. It's time for me to go. Gotta go to work in the morning. Kids gotta go to school. I'm tired as hell. See y'all next week.